Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to delete Facebook activity log on iPhone. Write me if my solution helped you and if you managed to do this on your phone. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. Go to Facebook. Then select the profile where we want to delete the activity log. In the upper right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, find the Activity Log tab. And here we have the first activity across Facebook. Click here. And here we can clear the activity log of everything. We can posts, we can likes, we can comments. Let's click on likes and reactions. And let's say if we've given someone a reaction, we can delete it. Like this, or we can click to delete all of them. And after that, press Remove and Delete. We can also select Comments. To whom we left comments. We can click and also click Remove and Delete. We can also exit. Close all these tabs. Scroll down to the bottom. And clear our Facebook history. Click here. And then the history comes up. We click on the three dots. And click Remove and Remove again. So we're clearing out what we had. If you liked this video and helped, be sure to write whether you got my solution to do the same. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.